This is number 27 in my video series, Case Manager, Relationship Building. Welcome. And the series is regarding indicted and facing prison, now what? My name is Marc Blatstein, and I know firsthand how surreal and overwhelming this experience can be. I too was convicted of a felony in 2006, and by 2010, I was able to get my medical license reinstated in full, and I'm grateful for that. And that's why I'm here with you today to provide crucial information almost daily. Because with knowledge and preparation together, these can build confidence that will help you navigate through these challenging times. The Department of Justice and FBI, if you hear they've been asking questions, and their case is mostly complete, with a 98% conviction rate, the odds are not in your favor that you'll get away scot-free. But knowledge is power, and I'm putting it in your hands through this series. Delaying to take your next step will have serious consequences. Your future is at stake, which is why it's critical to hire a legal team with a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. You don't just want to settle for experience. You want to hire a team that you feel is a good fit for you, which will help you get the best possible outcome. Making the right choices today can help you move forward with confidence tomorrow. Should you have questions, please do not hesitate to call and consider engaging my service at 240-888-7778. This is your life. Teaching you're teaching how to communicate respectfully with your case manager about reducing your criminogenic needs and emphasizing the growth you wish to accomplish is important. This is mostly because case managers deal with so many different people daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, and they constantly hear complaints. You don't want to get the reputation for complaining to your case managers and unit team all the time. They too are human employees working just for a paycheck, and they see hundreds of new faces each year. And you're going to have to figure a way, how can you differentiate yourself from the other faces that have come before you, are there with you, and will be there long after you've gone. It's going to be hard at times, but try and be respectful even when things are not going your way. Ultimately, that's how they want it. And at the same time, keep trying to use honey rather than attitude. Thank you, your case manager, rather, for recommending each and every First Step Back program. Be grateful. The specific knowledge, find something that you have picked up, learned that you may want to use later in life, and write it down into your journal, your logbook somewhere. Remember, in other YouTubes and going forward, there'll be future ones regarding insurance. And having a written record of everything you've done is your insurance should BOP staff, your prison staff, challenge you. Residential reentry managers have a limited number of beds nationwide, which means they are highly selective when it comes to accepting new inmates into their facilities. Plus, in turn, home confinement programs they're responsible for also. They need to supervise all of you when you're there. Therefore, these residential reentry managers rely on recommendation from your case managers to determine your suitability for placement into a halfway house, possibly early. So how is your case manager going to be able to make that decision? If you begun working and writing out a release plan, which is documenting your insurance, documenting everything you do daily, they will have they will know who you are because there's not going to be a lot of people there that all do this. And so beginning to develop that release plan through documenting and writing down the classes you're taking, what you're learning, if you've offered to teach a class, etc., can do nothing but help you. If you've already reached this point and you don't have time to wait for future videos, then give me a call and we can discuss your situation one-on-one. Once again, my number, 240-888-7778. I want to thank your case manager for recommending each First Step Back program or class. And as I said, find something that you learned and write it down. This will impress their stakeholders. And these are the people that are both internal, in prison, external, outside of prison, that are working to make sure that you become a law-abiding citizen to re-enter society. So the stakeholders inside are going to be case managers, unit team, warden, and any other BOP or Bureau of Prison employee you come in contact with. External stakeholders are going to be, the judge, the prosecutor, the probation officers, your attorney, the probation officers when you get out from under halfway house, and also the Grand Prairie, Texas, where they make the final decision regarding where you are sentenced, how long, and where placed. While success is not guaranteed, it's worth striving for in the long run. Reading books on various subjects, wherever you have an interest, biography of famous people, art history, science, life skills, notable women in history, geology, whatever it is, do something. If you enjoy painting, then draw. Please find something conservative to do. And as Nike says, just do it. That is their brand. Remember, your brand is going to be through your personal narrative. To engage my services or to have your concerns answered today, please give me a call, 240-888-7778. This is my personal cell phone, so I answer and return all calls. You can also get additional information through my website at PPRSUS.com. That's P as in Paul, P as in Paul, R as in Robert, S as in Sam, US.com. Have a good day, and thank you for tuning in.